Vocabulary and Syllable Time 1 and 2. These programs teach children the ability to hear, to say and to think about large sound units or syllables within words. Why is the ability to blend and segment syllables so important? Well, it prepares students to progress then on to processing small sound units. And when children are able to hear, say and think about those small sound units, this is linked to early literacy success. So this program is a step towards that. Also, these programs target vocabulary or semantic groups. Why? Well, in general, children who have small vocabularies or who have difficulty with the development of vocabulary are more likely to experience literacy problems. So this program aims to simultaneously, in addition to developing the pre-literacy skill of syllabification, it also aims to develop and extend a child's vocabulary. Book 1 or set 1 contains the vocabulary groups: fruit, Australian animals, clothing and shoes, food, colours and shapes. Vocabulary and Syllable Time set 2 targets the vocab groups zoo animals, insects or mini beasts, transport, salad and vegetables, and sea creatures. Now, on the reverse side of the card are instructions. So the adult will read the instructions at the top to start with. And this at the top of the card is blending syllables. So can you guess this picture? It's a picture of a kangaroo. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Can you push those sounds together and guess what's the picture? And once children have guessed the picture, or it's possible for the children who are having difficulty reveal the picture, it's a kangaroo, makes kangaroo, kangaroo. Now can you sound out kangaroo with me? Ideally with head, shoulders, hips. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Let's do another one. This is another Australian animal. It's a picture of a koala, koala, koala. Can you pull those sounds together and guess what it is? Koala. Well done, it's a koala. Now it's your turn to sound it out with me. Koala, koala, koala. Okay, what's our next one? Can you guess this picture? It's an echidna. Echidna. Can you pull those sounds together? Echidna. Wonder what it is. It's an echidna. That's right. Now it's our turn to all together to sound out this word. Echidna. 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 Also contained within that Australian animals vocabulary group is platypus, lizard, dingo, wombat and emu before progressing on to another vocabulary group. This is quick and easy to use, takes no preparation because it's in a very handy flipbook set. It targets the pre-literacy skill as well as the oral language skill of vocabulary, and engages also some motor skill development. Contained within this program is a short progress check at the end of the program that takes about a minute a child to present. Now this can be a standalone program, or it's the first program in PLD's sequence of 5 phonological awareness programs for the junior primary. These programs set up our young literacy learners for literacy success by simultaneously targeting phonological awareness and vocabulary development within an early childhood manner. If you found this information useful, don't forget to click the subscribe button and check out our related videos shown here. If you have any questions or feedback, please add them to the comments below and we'll be sure to respond. Otherwise, you can reach us via live chat on our website, pld-literacy.org. Thanks again for viewing.